Welcome to JamaicaGetAwayTravels.com. I will show you step by step how to book airport transfer on Jamaica Getaway Travels. First, go to your web browser and enter JamaicaGetAwayTravels.com in the search bar. Enter your hotel name in the search bar. Select your hotel name with the airport you are arriving at or departing from the option. Choose your pick-up or drop-off location from the table above. Select from the drop-down options the number of persons in your travel party. Select from the drop-down options for one-way or round trip. Click the Book Now. Proceed to checkout. Complete the travel form and sure to include flight details, airline, flight number, and time.